Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are in place: Docker, Docker Compose, and a working Jenkins. First, confirm Docker daemon runs and that you can run Docker PS as your Jenkins user. Once done, add the Jenkins service account to the Docker group or plan to expose /var/run/docker. Sock. This lets Jenkins control containers. Also install the Docker pipeline plugin in Jenkins so Jenkins understands Docker steps. Make sure firewall and storage are adequate before moving on to job configuration. Now you configure Jenkins to talk with Docker. Navigate to Manage Jenkins and install Docker-related plugins if not present. Then add a Docker cloud entry, pointing at Unix, //var/run/docker. Sock for local or TCP, //host 2375 for remote hosts. Provide TLS certs when using TCP. Create credentials for the Docker registry and add them to your pipeline or freestyle job. Once connected, define Docker agents or run inside a Docker container using agent Docker image maven 3.8 in your pipeline. Finish by creating a test pipeline that builds an image, pushes it to a registry, and runs a container. Run the job and watch console output. Make sure image build, push, and container launch succeed. If things break, check common issues. Permission denied on /var/run/docker. Sock, Docker API unreachable or missing credentials. As a key tip, if permission denied occurs, verify Jenkins user group membership and restart Jenkins. If using TCP, validate TLS certs and network access before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.